Hey babe, what just happened to you?
You said, what are the odds I drank from a puddle over there? And I said, none. And then you said them both. How
know.
did you say it?
Oh, I just said 5 on my own.
Oh, like what are the odds you do?
Yeah.
So then we said 1, 2, 3, and then I said 3, you said 2, which adds up to 5, which means I have to drink from the puddle. But there's a youth group over there, and I don't want them to see me.
She's too nervous. But there's a puddle
I'm
right
not
there by that
too
tree.
nervous.
Oh, aren't you?
No.
Oh my goodness. I can't believe you're gonna do this in front of everybody.
What's the big deal?
What's the big deal? You're doing it for our YouTubers.
I don't think.
Alright.
I'm facing my back to them. They may not even realize what's going on.
Any last thoughts before you drink this?
Why do I always have to drink stuff?
Because it's gross. You have to drink stuff. I don't.
I know, that's what honey, look at all that dirt.
You said you're gonna do it.
Fine.
You can back out if you want.
Yeah, but then I can't even get any honey.
Do it quick.
It tastes like dirt. There's grit in my mouth. Do I have dirt all over my face?
True grit, like John Wayne.
Sure. Ew.
And this is another episode of What Are the Odds?